So here I am on my way to catch my plane. I arrived here at Palermo Airport at noon to drop off that piece of shit Fiat Panda. And now I'm finally heading to the gate. Won't be boarding for another hour at least. I wasn't sure where to go because there's not a lot of details here. So my flight is, it says right on here, Air Malta. So check-in is at gate 19, or sorry, check-in is at number 19. It doesn't say the gate. I was looking for the gate. So I just went up to number 19, and sure enough, that's the one it was. So maybe it's just a lack of knowledge or whatever, but I made it. So I'll be in Malta. I'll be landing in Malta a little over midnight. I don't know if I'll have enough energy in me to explore the city or whatever, but see what happens. All right, I'll check in a little bit.